Hello friends, myself Manjusri Gunjegawkar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklalam Dariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune. In this video, we are going to study chemistry of steroidal drugs. Now, first we'll see in detail what is meant by steroids. Steroids are the polycyclic organic compounds containing 1,2-cyclopentano per hydrophenanthrene skeleton. That is, it consists of 4 fuse rings which are ring A, B, C and D, and thus these are the polycyclic hydrocarbon. The basic structure of steroid is as shown over here. Apart from this, it also consists of sometimes the methyl groups. The angular methyl groups present at the position 13 and 10 are numbered as 18 and 19 respectively. The carbon atoms of the side chain which are present at C17 carbon are numbered from 20 onward. The numbering of the steroid nucleus is retained even if the carbon atoms of ring or angular methyl group is removed or increased. Thus, though the C18 methyl group is absent, the angular methyl group at C10 is numbered as C19. So, it is C18 non-steroid nucleus. The polycyclic saturated hydrocarbon of steroid skeletons containing 18, 19 and 20 carbon atoms are called estrane, androstane and pregnane respectively. Now next we are going to see these steroids in a two part. First, that is steroidal hormones, that is mainly sex hormones and adrenocorticoids. So sex hormones, as we know, the adrenocorticoids and in small proportion the sex hormones have been isolated from cortex of adrenal gland. The male sex hormone testosterone is secreted by interstitial cells of testes and it has both anabolic and androgenic activity. The androgenic activity includes development of secondary sex characters, for example voice deepening, growth of the hair, formation of semen like etc. in male, and the anabolic activity includes increase in the rate of protein synthesis, increased anabolism of male sex apparatus and muscles, and thickening and linear growth of the bone. Estradiol and progesterone, these are mainly the female sex hormones. Estradiol is an estrogenic hormone secreted by ovary. It is mainly concerned with development and maintenance of secondary female characters and growth and development of female reproductive organ, and it is necessary for onset of puberty and menses. Whereas progesterone is the progestational hormone, and after ovulation the follicle tissue ruptures to form the corpus luteum which secretes the progesterone. It helps to prepare endometrium for conception, to implant and maintain the fertilized ovum, to stop spontaneous rhythmic contraction of uterus. It also prevents ovulation during pregnancy and hence it is a natural contraceptive. If fertilization does not occur, then it maintains the normal menstrual bleeding. So, next we are going to study in detail about these hormones. So, first is testosterone. The structure of testosterone is shown over here. It consists of steroidal skeleton present in it is androstane, in which the different groups attached are the hydroxyl group is present at C17 position, keto group is present at C3 position, and double bond between C3 and C4, as we can see in the structure. Physical property of testosterone are it is available as white crystalline powder, odorless, tasteless, very slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage includes it should be stored in well closed light resistant container. Uses are as a substitute or replacement therapy in male hypogonadal disorder, to correct the penile size in childhood, to stimulate the erythropoiesis for muscle development, to treat male infertility, and in treatment of gynecomastia. In female, testosterone is used to treat menopausal symptoms, in treatment of chronic mastitis, for suppression of lactation, for relief of after pain in labor, and in palliative treatment of breast cancer. Dosage form of testosterone are injection and implant. Brand name are Testoform, Testoviron, Depot, Hormodrin, and PMT. Next drug comes Nanandrolone. It is 19-norandrostenedione or estrone derivative. It differs from testosterone in not having the methyl group at C10 position, like which is present in testosterone, and it is also not orally active. Physical property of nanandrolone: it is available as white or creamy white crystalline powder with a faint characteristic odor, very slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: it is stored in well closed light resistant container. Uses are as a substitute or replacement therapy in male gonadal hormone disorder, to correct the penile size in childhood, to stimulate the erythropoiesis for muscle development, to treat male infertility, and in treatment of gynecomastia. In female, to treat menopausal symptoms, in treatment of chronic mastitis, for suppression of lactation, for relief of after pain in labor, and palliative treatment of breast cancer. That means the uses are similar as that of the, or we can say same as that of the testosterone. Dosage form are nanandrolone injection, and brand name is Durvalin, Nanandrolene, and Dubolin. Next comes estradiol. Estradiol, it is the female sex hormone. The steroidal nucleus present in it is estrane. It is having the 3 double bond at first, third, and fifth position, and the 2 hydroxy groups are present at C3 and C17 position. Physical properties of estradiol are: it is available as white or cream white crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water, and sparingly soluble in vegetable oil and in acetone. Stability and storage includes: it should be stored in well closed light resistant container. Usage in hormone replacement therapy in female, that is after menopause or ovarectomy, to treat the menopausal symptoms, to treat primary amenorrhea, that means delayed onset of puberty, to treat the breast cancer in postmenopausal women, and to treat the prostatic cancer in men. Formulation is estradiol injection, and brand name is Ovasep Aproprin. Next comes progesterone. It contains a steroidal nucleus wise pregnane. The different groups present are 2 oxo groups at C3 and C20 position, double bond between C4 and C5. The physical property are colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol. It shows the polymorphism: one form melts at 121 degree and other at 128 degree centigrade. Next comes stability and storage. It is stable in air but affected by light, hence it should be stored in well closed light resistant container. Usage: to treat the dysfunctional uterine bleeding, dysmenorrhea, and endometriosis, to treat habitual and threatened abortion, to maintain the pregnancy, and to treat premenstrual syndrome, to prepare the endometrium for reception, implantation, for maintenance of fertilized ovum, for prophylaxis of postnatal depression, and to treat cancer of breast and endometrium. Formulations are estradiol implant. Brand name are formulation is implant and brand name of the progesterone are Proluton, Proluton Depot, Progestin and Menstrugen. So this is regarding the sex hormones, that is testosterone, nanandrolone, estradiol, progesterone, etc. So in next part we will focus on glucocorticoid. Thank you for watching this video.